Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your guy Benny. I'm here with a quick video for those who trade Forex. I am a Forex trader. I've been trading Forex for the past 11 years, and I'm very, very consistent in Forex trading. I would like you to subscribe to my channel. I have two channels. I'm going to separate them. One is going to be for Forex. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos for those of you interested in Forex trading, so that you learn how to trade Forex. I started with Forex, and I have a Telegram group where I drop signals. It's completely free. For my VIP is completely free. All you just need to do is to open a real account with using my link with some of my brokers, and I'll add you to my VIP room. I'm very, very successful with my results as a trader. Very, very successful. This is what I did this morning. This is what I did this morning. And I'm going to show you how I trade the Forex market. I know how I trade the Forex market. I have been very, very consistent with my results. You can take a look at yesterday also. Maybe you can see. Take a look and see. I've been very, very good with Forex. That is just the truth. Now, what I do, I'm going to show you guys how just a very simple strategies that I use to trade the Forex market. Over the past years, I've learned how to be consistent in the Forex market. One of the things that I do in the morning before the London Open, I try to study, to read some news about what is happening in the political circles, and with that I already know what is happening. You can read investing.com, Bloomberg, and the rest. I just look at investing.com and I know what is happening. Then on the technical aspect, I use Bollinger Band. You can see the settings here. Just default setting. The Bollinger Band is on default setting. This is how it is. Just default. Then I have two moving averages. You can use 200, you can use 50, or you use my own. Here is 365. I'm the one that inserted the 365. What I use mostly is 250. This is 365. I just decided to test the 365. This is 180. They are on the main chart. Then on the indicator window 1, relative cent interest index. Just default setting. That's all. You are good to go. Once you have these indicators here, you are already good to go. What I do with this strategy is I switch over to 15 minutes and I determine the trend. Like from what you can see, if you turn the screen like this, you could see that it has been going in an uptrend. And what I do in the morning is, since it's an uptrend, I just look for buy opportunities. Once the market is at the edge, like what you see here, once the market is at the edge, like this edge here, I look for buy opportunities from there. But before I buy, in the morning, this place was just, they were contrasting together. They were too tight. So I was waiting for a breakout through, this area, upward or downward. But what I did was to pay attention to the relative strength index. I'm going to show you how you pay attention to the relative strength index. You just come here. You see, while you are waiting for opportunity, you see, wait for, like from here, my brother, as it's touching 30. Once it's touching 30, you are waiting for the market to be at the edge here. This is a correct opportunity for buy. But at that time, the indicator, that's why I use 250, because this indicator, before they cross, the market would have gone to this place. So I use 250, but this is 365. Just like I say, this is a buy opportunity, but because it has not crossed, the moment it crosses, start looking for opportunity. This is one opportunity here. Look at that deep down here. It's not up to 30, but this is a buy opportunity. In case you miss that, this is another buy opportunity. Look at it here. This is another buy opportunity. As it bounces at the middle of the band, you place another buy. So this is how this strategy works. Let me look for another pair where I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe you will see it more clearly in that let me use, I love this GU is one pair that I love so much. Now let's look at the trend. First of all, we determine the trend. We are seeing on the 50 minutes, we are looking for a buy opportunity, because in the sequence, you look at the sequence of the moving average, they are in sequence. The smaller is above the bigger moving average. So, and they are pointing upwards, telling us that the market is in a buy trend. So we are going to look for opportunity to buy. So once it drops and touches the edge of the band, when the Bollinger Band is narrowed down, they are contrasting together. It's to tell you that the market is not moving. Just wait for a breakout, and this is where you would have seen a major opportunity. Here would have been a major opportunity to enter a buy, or here. This is where I put it's a major buy opportunity. Buy it from here, and you would have taken a buy trade, strong buy trade, and make your money and come out of the market. This is how I trade the market, and I've been very, very consistent in making profit. I just showed you some of my profits. It's going to be a very short video, and I'm going to be posting strategies that I use for the Forex market. People ask me all the time, they say, how are you able to trade the Forex market? Show us your strategies. What gives you edge in the market? And